Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hari ini kita akan menyaksikan dari Sultan Emas Channel bagaimana cara pengambilan emas dari batangan CPU komputer dan batangan HP. Yuk kita saksikan.
How to recover gold from CPU computers. This is an old computer. Computer CPU is hidden under the heat sink. This is CPU. The pin of the CPU is a metal plated with gold. Connector of gold-plated circuit board. This is another example of a computer we have dismantled. I like to see the internal parts of the electrical equipment. I doubt the work of technology. There are many devices that are stored inside. And of course, it has what we seek. It's gold. Most technology uses gold to drive. Connector of gold-plated circuit board. Most CPU computers are under the heat sink. Why a CPU computer needs a heat sink? CPU computer is hot while working, so it needs a heat sink. This is CPU. Of course, it has a gold-plated pin. This is an old CPU computer 486,386 Pentium Pro. You will see these CPU computers are made of ceramic. Of course, CPU computers made with ceramic have more gold than CPU general. We will separate metals mixed with gold remove, preliminary with the use of nitric acid, to reduce the amount of metal mixed with gold. Remove as much as possible before making gold aqua regia dissolving. I put the water 2000 milliliters. Nitric acid 1000 milliliters. Leave it for 2 weeks. You will see the golden legs fall off and the water turns green. Do not worry, nitric acid cannot dissolve gold. You may see some people skip this step to make gold aqua regia dissolving. I personally think that it contains too many other metals. Making gold aqua regia dissolving gold should have more than 60% gold precipitation, with sodium metabisulfite will have in the gold 99.99%. If you have a better way, please comment to be useful for all of you. Clean up before proceeding. YouTube Archimedes channel, thank you very much for all of you who are interested in our videos. Hope you like our compilation. Please share it and subscribe. Watch also our other videos. Thank you. You will see the pin of the CPU fall out. Cause of the nitric acid to dissolve, the lead solder legs become water. I like this time, the yellow gold, after we have taken our raw materials are soaked with nitric acid. It will help evaluate, will you get the gold? I would like to say that nitric acid is a good gold sorter for gold alloys and gold plated. You see under the die chip will have gold overlay. We soaked in nitric acid for 1 month. It will be separated. The chemical consists of 1 part nitric acid and 3 parts hydrochloric acid. When these 2 acids combine, you get aqua regia. After mixing acid, let it stand for 3 to 5 minutes. Slowly pour the aqua into the raw ingredients. You need to be aware of the dangers of chemicals and use protective equipment. Acid-resistant gloves gas mask. Acid-resistant gloves gas mask. Gold water filter to clean. Use foggy water spray to clean raw materials. The chemicals used to precipitate gold are urea and sodium metabisulfite. Put the urea to a saturation point or stop dissolving. Urea reduces the acid that we put over. Urea is not a precipitative gold. The gold is precipitated well. The acidity will be less. Urea will help you solve this problem. If you do not put urea in case of acidity, you have to force it with sodium metabisulfite. It's wrong and need a lot. But if you put the aqua regia in a quantity that fits the dissolution of gold, the saturation point, no need to enter urea. Gradually add sodium metabisulfite. Enter sodium metabisulfite, stop melting or saturation. Then leave for about 2 to 4 hours. Let the gold sludge fall below. Slowly pour the water out. The Wang sludge will flow with water. Then bring the gold sludge to clean the chemical. 3 times hot water. Gold dust. We use a hot air blower. Dried gold powder. Bring gold dust to molten lumps. We use induction heater and graphite crucible. Convenient, quick and easy to melt gold. Bring gold powder into a graphite crucible. This is the gold we receive. Gold weight of 6.7 grams. YouTube Archimedes channel. Hope you like our compilation. Please share it and subscribe. Watch also our other videos. Thank you very much.
Terima kasih banyak telah menyaksikan video tersebut. Dan jangan lupa like, share, and subscribe video ini agar cepat berkembang. Saya akhiri, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.